In this video, I'm going to show you how to sample in Cakewalk Next. Now to do this, first you want to open an existing project or a new one. It's going to work either way. Then from here, you want to go to the top left and you want to click on the plus button to create a new track, and you want to click on Sampler. Now this is going to allow you to, of course, use the sampler. So as you can see, here's the sampler track. By default, you're not going to see anything else. So you want to double click it and it's going to open up this X sampler down here at the bottom. Now, of course, you can do many things in here. You could then go and import and drag loops or one-shots or whatever from the loop browser, which you can find inside the browse here in the top right, and then loops, shots, whatever, and you can just click and drag them in here like this, and that's the first way you could actually sample and use the sampler. Then you could also go and record your own, so we can click on record new audio. You want to make sure you have your correct microphone set up over here, then click on the record button, and what's going to happen is, of course, you're going to start record. So as you can see, it's going to replace it. I'm going to hit OK, and there we go. It's now recording my audio and it's picking it up, and I'm going to be able to use it for my samples. Okay, so that's how to sample. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.